Lecture 8. Lecture Introduction, Files and Folders. Welcome to our lesson on files and folders. After learning this lecture, students will be able to describe the different parts of a desktop, describe the files and folders, differentiate the files and folders. Let's start! What are files and folders? When you open your computer, you'll see icons for files and folders on the desktop. Files and folders help us save and organize data on the computer. Imagine files as pieces of paper with information, and folders as the place where you keep them, just like real folders. What is a file? A file is a thing on the computer that stores data, like information, settings, or commands. There are many types of files, and each one has a unique icon and name, so we can tell them apart. Types of files. Files come in different types. We have text files, which are like digital pieces of paper, video files, which play videos, and image files, which show pictures. Each type of file has its special icon, making it easy to recognize. What is a folder? A folder, sometimes called a directory, is like a container where we keep multiple files, other folders, or shortcuts. Folders help us group files together and stay organized on the computer. Why do we use folders? Imagine you work on a piece of paper every day. By the end of the week, you have 7 pieces of paper. Where would you keep them? In a folder, of course. That way, they stay safe, organized, and easy to find. What can be stored in a folder? Folders can hold so many things. You can put in text files, audio files, or even other folders. For example, you might have a folder for vacation photos or favorite music, whatever you need to keep organized. File versus folder. What's the difference? Here's the big difference. A file is an object that stores information or commands, while a folder is a place to store files and even other folders. Think of it like this. Files are the documents and folders are where you keep them. Thank you. Thanks for learning with us today.